make a cover. I'm going to show only the basics, and the decoration you can do how you like. Do you see this mark in Japanese books? You will see this. That's a single crochet and the line is on the bottom. That means you have to take only one thread. We're going to do 50 chain. I measure it already. And do a slip chain to join it. Now one chain and single crochet all around. Coming to the end, do slip chain, and one chain, and I'm hiding the thread, and I'm taking only one of the thread. You see that? Up one only. I'm not taking both of it, the chain. One. I have to show you all this one slowly because along the way I'm going to, one of the chain is going to be 3 single crochets. There, I'm doing it 3 there. And then 1. And the next one will be 3. So it will look like an oval. I put 3 and a single crochet there, and here 3. So it's going to look like an oval. And do this one to 22 single crochet. Do 22 crochet already. From there to there will be 22 single crochet. From that 3 single crochet here, and then now here 3 single crochet, and then 1 chain, and 3 single crochet. And the rest of it all single crochet. Now going up, 1 chain, same single crochet, same thing, see that? Now we came to a corner there, you see there's do 1 single crochet and then 3 single crochet there. See that? That's the big hole there, and then 3 single crochet. That's the corners. Coming along nicely. Come 1 round already, do slip chain, single, and we're going to change thread. You don't have to change if you don't want to, because I wanted to change. So look at it, it's 3 rounds and I measure it. Looks good. I'm using the pink. I put a knot first and then I go there. Single crochet, same all the way till finish. Now we are coming and there, so we're going to join them. You see, I only did 1 chain and I always leave 1 chain there. Now I'm going to do slip chain, and same thing, do 1 chain and do single crochet around. When it comes to corner, you put 3 single crochets in 1 chain. See, we come to the corner there. You can see the corner properly. There, single crochet, and here 3. Altogether will be, the top part of the tissue box will be 12. That's my measurement of my box. Your box will be different. You can measure and do it. So mine will be like 12 rounds. I like to do single crochets because I don't want to see all the holes, so much holes, so it would look like a cake when you decorate it. So this one is only 9 rounds, so I'm going to make, if it's not enough, so I'm still measuring now. So it's going to be 12. So this is 12 rounds ready. So it's slightly smaller, but you can, when you put on the tissue, it will stretch. So this is part 1.